starting problem on this Honda Superdream, firing on one cylinder. Couldn't find out what was wrong with it. Basically, first thing to do before you strip the engine or do anything with the carburetors, check the plugs. So took an HT lead off, swapped it over to the other cylinder, found out the HT was fine. Purchased two brand new spark plugs, put them both in, full choke, started the engine, and this is the result. Tickover's just about right, 1,400 RPMs on tickover. Needle steady, tells you that it's fluctuating okay, and both cylinders are firing. New spark plugs and new plug caps. HT lead and coil is fine. Just shows you, always look at the obvious problems first, and sometimes it can be a lot less expensive. Thank you.